Thank you, my lord.
Yes, sir.
I know the court will recall yesterday that at our adjournment, I was just about to refer this court to an extract from the record of the proceedings where Mr. Maseta actually put the significance of the DNA results beyond doubt, my lord.
Okay.
That was at the stage when we adjourned. May I then proceed from
Yeah,
that point?
fine, no problem.
Thank you. On the proceedings, my lord, of the 10th of September, 10/10/2023, on page 37, this is what happened, my lord, and I'll start to read at the top of the page.
Namanje umyisi bazofunda ke okwenzeka ke emarekhodini ngomhla ka-10 September ngo-2023 ikhasi lakhona ke kukhasi number 37.
It's Captain Maseta saying, yes, my lord.
Ucaptain Masehla uthi yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
And then it's written here, the prosecutor, now I can't remember which one was it, but I think it was Advocate Baloyi, but it's written in the record as the prosecutor. Then the prosecutor says, okay, and in answer to Mr. Ramusipili's question, you say you can only say the DNA profile on the brim of the head exclude the suspects.
Kuyabhubha lapho ukuthi umshushisi ke uthi ummeli ke akubhalanga ukuthi umshushisi bekubani kodwa ke uyacabanga ukuthi ke bekuyena umzane Baloyi ke bayashisa losombolo ke uthi ke ngokuya ke ngempendulo yakhe ke wayinika umzane ke Ramusipili iDNA ke iyamkhipha ke yena lo muntu lo othi sicala ukuthi yebo.
This was a question that was actually directed by the prosecutor to Mr. Maseta, and the question proceeded as follows. The fact that on certain loci you are able to read the suspects into the DNA profile, is it that of any significance? I'll give you this. And then Captain Maseta's reply to the question by the state was, my lord, the fact that I read you in or not in all the DNA regions, then the prosecutor says yes. Then the answer from Mr. Maseta is as follows. It has significance because if I do not read you in all the regions, it means you are excluded. For us to include you, we need to include you in all the DNA regions. We will proceed. I just want the interpreter just to have this and interpret it.
Where's Mr. Are you taking over?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, fine.
We'll start it here up to here. Yeah. And then after that, you can bring it to me because the pastor has to proceed.
Okay, ummeli ke uyawafunda ke kuma record la aphunywa la enkantolo ngomhla ka-10 September ngo-2023 ngalenkathi ke umshushisi ke kuyena ke umzane Baloyi ubuza imibuzo ngalenkathi leyo ke uyachaza ukuthi ke umshushisi okay ke kule mpendulo ke wayinikeza umzane uRamusipili ke kulombuzo ayawabuza mayelana ke nama DNA la profile ke lawo wathatha kuyena ke msolwa uyabuza ukuthi ke uko lokho khona ukubalekile na uthi ke lona uCaptain Maseta yebo Nkosi enkantolo ngiyakufunda ngafaka konke lokho okumelana nama DNA nama regions ukuthi zonke izinto efanele sisibheke ngokuya ngama DNA uthi kubalekile ngoba uma ke ngingafundi konke okuya ke ngendlela esebenza ngayo ama DNA kusho ukuthi manje lo muntu ke ukhishiwe lapho kususiwe ukuthi ke sikwazi ukumfaka lo muntu ofanele sibheke konke okusetshenziswayo uma kwenzwa ke lawo ma DNA.
I'm not so sure whether you're able to follow Mr. Ncube.
Ukwazi ukulandela mntana Ncube? Yes, my lord. Even though I don't understand some of the things, my lord.
Yes, no, don't worry. It's just some legal jargon and scientific terms. Furthermore, my lord, there was an engagement between the court, in clarification, of course, between Mr. Captain Maseta and the court.
Kuyo kwabakhona ke inkulumo ke yabakhona ngaphakathi kwenkantolo inkosi enkantolo naye futhi uCaptain Maseta.
Still on the same date, the proceedings of the 10th of October, 10/10 is October, ne? Yes, October is 10. On the proceedings of the 10th of October 2023.
Okwenzeka mhla ka-10 October ngo-2023.
On page 39.
Lapho manje ku-page 39.
And as I'm saying, that this was an engagement between Mr. Captain Maseta and the court in clarification of the interpretation of the DNA results.
leyo inkulumo ke eyaba khona phakathi kwenkosi enkantolo namnumzane Masihla ke ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ifuna ukuzwa kabanzi noma ukuchazelwa kabanzi ngala results e-DNA lafundiwe la court.
Then the court says, but I can tell you that the standard of proof in a fingerprint evidential matter is that there must be 7 points. 7 points of identification. If there are not, even if you can have 6, you cannot say this person is a person who is, it is indistinct.
Manje ke inkosi enkantolo yathi ke ngolwazi lami ke ngakutshela ukuthi ke uma ke mhlambe ke nenza ke masikhuluma ke ngeminwe kufanele kube khona ama point angaba u7 kufanele niwabheke futhi ke afaniswe futhi bese ayafana uma ke unama point angaba yi6 anyokusho ukuthi uphume nesinqumo okuyisona.
Thank you. Now the court then proceeded. Even if he has 6 points of identification which is similar, as long as it is not 7, they say identification beyond the requirement of proof. Are you with me?
Manje ke inkantolo yaseqhubeka ithi ke noma ke ungaba ke nawo ama point angaba yisithupha afanayo noma afanayo nalo imino yalowo muntu loyo kodwa uma unganawo ayi7 ngokuphelela kwawo anyokusho ukuthi ke kuyafana noma ke kuyahambisana.
Then Captain Musehla says, yes, my lord, and the court says, is it not the same concept?
Manje ke uCaptain Misehla naye uma ephendula kulokhu ke okusho inkantolo ke ngokuya ngama point la ayi7 afuneka ahambisane ke uCaptain uthi yebo nkosi enkantolo na kusebenza kanjalo vele.
Then Captain Musehla answers after the court has asked him if that's not the same concept, and the answer was, it is the same concept with us as well, my lord.
Uma ke ephendula ke uCaptain Misehla uthi ke yebo nkosi enkantolo ke nakithi ke thina abantu abenza ama DNA kusebenza vele kanjalo.
Then the court says yes, and Captain Musehla further amplifies his answer, and he says, to say that if we do not include you in all the 16 regions, we are not included.
Manje ke yathi inkantolo yebo wasephendula wathi Misehla yebo ke kunjalo uma ngabe ke yazange ke sikufake nawe ke kuzo zonke into lezi ezi16 ke esebenza ngazo ukhipha umphumela usho ngamagama ke wena ke asuwena noma ke ase DNA nakho leyo tholiwe.
And then the court brought in a very, very interesting point. Actually, let me say a brilliant point. It's not only interesting, it was very brilliant as well. Then the court says, there are points. Have you ever conducted a DNA test where all the 16 regions are excluded? Because, for instance, let us pause there.
Manje
Have you
ke
ever, let me repeat this. Have you ever conducted a DNA test where all the 16 regions are excluded? Let us pause there.
manje ke inkosi enkantolo ke yase iza ke nenye point ke ebaluleke kakhulu la inkantolo yasembuza athi Misehla ke wena uke wayenza ke iDNA test lapho ke wonke ama point ay16 ke awekho.
Because, for instance, as we said on the swap, it says 7, 8, and 9.
Ngoba ke masibheka ngaloko kuthathiwe ke kukhombisa u7 u8 no9.
And then on the symbol, the performer example, I think the pro forma example of the donor, you find 8, 9, and 10.
Ngoba ke kulama phepha ke la asetshenziswa ke wesiboniso kubonakala u8 9 10.
Yes.
8 9 10.
Which you cannot say that there are similarities of any of the DNA symbols.
Ngalokho ke anyokuzusho ukuthi ke kukhona ke okufanayo kwalama symbol la we-DNA.
Now, have you never done that where it says there are 18 or 16, or 16 points? In other words, have you never done a DNA where all the points are excluded?
Manje kathi umbuzo ke manje wena awukaze wayenza ke ukuhluza ke iDNA lapho ke wonke ama point we16 ke akhishiwe.
Now, this is what Captain Musehla answered to the court, and he says, no, man.
Umusehla ke wasephendula wathi cha nkosi enkantolo.
I've not seen where you will exclude a person in all of the 16 regions.
Angikaze ngabona lapho ke umuntu ke uzomkhipha ke kuwo wonke ama point la we16 ke kufanele abhekwe.
You will ultimately get in 1 or 2.
Mawusebenza ke ungenzeka mhlawumbe ukwazi ukumxhumanisa nga1 noma nga2.
Then the court says, that is it, yes. So DNA coincides in all the tests we have made. Is that not so?
Wasethi inkantolo yebo kunjalo kuvele iDNA ivele konke lama test la wenzile.
And then there was a discussion between the court and Captain Musehla up to the point where the court then asked Captain Musehla the following, right, what does it mean? What do you mean by that 6? And then this is what Captain Musehla told to the court.
Kwaba khona ke inkulumo phakathi ke court naye ke uCaptain Musehla ngale ngathi ke inkantolo imbuzo ukuthi usho ukuthini ke mawuthi ke besisithupha phela.
So what it means is there are some regions where that person's characters, we can see them in the mixture.
Uyawathi ke kukhona ke izindawo lapho ke ungathola ke okunye okutholakala kulowo muntu lowo kuloko sonke kukho konke lokhu ke sikutholi noma sakuthatha.
But for you to conclude that that person is a contributor to that particular mixture, you need to read him not in 6, but in all of them,
kodwa ukuthi wena uphume nesinqumo sokuthi-ke lowo muntu ngempela wuye awumelanga ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe uthole indawo eziyi-6 ke ezifanayo funeke-ke uthole zonke ngokuphelela kwazo zihambisana.
Thank you, my lord. I'll pause there. I
Yeah.
think, my lord, because this was engagement between me and the court and my colleagues here, I think this serves to clarify the position with regard to the evidence relating to DNA. Man. Anything beyond this, I would submit, my lord, that is meant to mislead the court. Captain Mosetla specifically said for a person to be included in the exhibit that was found at the scene, he needs to be read in all the regions of the DNA profile. Once one is excluded, then the person gets excluded. It is therefore incongruent for the state to keep on raising the point that no, but they were read accused number 3 in his DNA profile vis-a-vis the exhibit that was found at the scene. He was read into 6 or 4 regions. Therefore, he cannot be excluded. That is totally wrong, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Particularly when it comes from colleagues of this stature, my lord, who are in control of the region, where other prosecutors from the regional court are listening and they need to take note from what they are saying here, man. I think they basically have to come and face them in the face and say what Fela Kuti says in his head. Teacher, please don't teach me nonsense. And this is not an insult, my lord. It's just an observation. So I think the issue has now been put beyond reasonable doubt. Thank you, my lord. I don't know if the state has got any.
No, let's proceed.
Thank you, my lord.
Umzana Mnisi-ke uyasho ukuthi-ke uma-ke sibheka konke-ke le nkulumo ekhona phakathi kwami nayo inkantolo nabo-ke amakhuliki wami-ke ngikhuluma ngabo abashushisi-ke laba la ikhona inkantolo-ke ngale ndlela kwenzakala ngakhona-ke umise Masihla-ke wabeka kwazwakala la inkantolo ukuthi-ke uma-ke kwenziwa ama-DNA test funeke ukuthi umuntu-ke ama-test wakhona axhumanise kuko konke hhayi okuyi-3 hhayi okuyi-4 hhayi okuyi-6 kodwa axhumanise kuko konke okuyi-16-ke uzokwazi ukuphuma nomphumela osho ukuthi lowo muntu lowo-ke i-DNA yakhe le yatholakala lapho-ke ithi-ke umzana Mnisi-ke uma ngabe funeke futhi-ke umbuso ukubheka okwenza ngoba mhlawumbe akhona abanye abashushisi abale kuma-regional court abafundayo-ke kule cala leli ukuthi umsebenzi wenziwa kanjani-ke bangasho ukuthi-ke mangabe-ke ungahambanga kahle njengoba-ke omunye kwabhala wathi-ke ungangifundisi-ke umbhede.
Now,
Sorry, I'm sorry to disturb you. Are you through with what you stated that there were some persons at the JP police station who attended an identity parade? You remember that? Are you through with that?
yes, I'm done with that.
Yeah, okay, fine. For my edification, I just
Yes.
want to hear what you say.
My lord, the advocate Mshololo just brought to my attention that what I've done here is basically to contextualize the interpretation of the DNA results, my lord.
Is he talking to you or me?
No, he
Oh, fine, no
was
problem.
just whispering to me.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yes.
No, this is just clarification.
Yes, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
And for the essence of, because you guys are going to have to argue these
Yes.
concepts later.
Yes, my lord.
I'm saying the concepts, because let me start by saying the record of the identity parade, you've got it there,
Yes, I've got it, my lord.
right?
It has actually been handed.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't know whether the court does have it, but it was submitted as an exhibit. I don't know
It was
if the
handed
court
in, how,
physically had it.
sorry, I want to find out how was it handed in? Through evidence led by the person in charge? You can't
No,
recall.
I can't remember, my lord, but I think it was per agreement between the state and the defense.
Who was in
Because,
charge? The captain who was in charge, what's his name?
It's Captain Miso.
Me. So, did he give
Lieutenant
evidence?
Colonel Meso.
Did he give evidence?
No.
Now, how did that report get into evidence? Was it by agreement between the parties or what?